Hi there, my name is Christian Cantrell, and this is the Concept.art Photoshop plugin, formerly known as the Stability Photoshop plugin, which itself was formerly known as the Stable Diffusion Photoshop plugin. But the plugin is now part of my new company, Concept.art, so I promise we're done rebranding. The Concept plugin takes a very light touch approach to integrating generative AI into Photoshop. The idea is for it to be relatively inconspicuous and for it to work seamlessly with existing Photoshop features like selection, layers, and masking, while also giving you access to, as of right now, about a dozen different models, with more coming, like Deep Floyd IF, which will enable you to generate text, and the new SDXL 0.9, which is one of the best diffusion models ever created. You can even use DALL-E in the plugin for image generation in and out painting, and to generate variations. You can also do local inference with the Concept Photoshop plugin, including with your own fine-tuned models, though I will admit that the local server we provide needs an update, which is coming. We will either rewrite it from scratch or we'll just support integration with something like Automatic 1111. We haven't decided yet, and if you have an opinion, I'd love to hear it. Because the Concept plugin integrates so nicely into existing Photoshop workflows, you can, of course, use it seamlessly with Firefly, which I love. I think the new generative fill feature is amazing, so it's really fun to create workflows like this that combine Stable Diffusion, Firefly, and DALL-E. And we even do a little upscaling here at the end. I'm also working on a feature that I call the Concept Photoshop Assistant that allows you to interact with Photoshop simply by typing in simple instructions. This started out as an experiment, but then I found myself using it for real-world creative workflows, so I've decided to take it to the next level. Right now, it's a separate unreleased experiment, but once we've released a few updates to the main Concept plugin, enhanced inpainting, latent upscaler, support for text, etc., we'll start working on integrating the Concept Assistant into the main Photoshop plugin. I've come to think of Photoshop as an incredibly powerful hub for generative AI. You have all the compositing and pixel-based power of Photoshop, plus neural filters, plus features like generative fill, and now, thanks to UXP, Adobe's extensibility framework, you have the ability to bring in all kinds of other powerful generative AI capabilities like the Concept.art plugin. If you haven't already, go check it out, and I hope you enjoy all the new features that are coming. Thanks.